Topic 1. The Buss family's decision to sell their majority stake in the Lakers at a $10 billion valuation marks a significant shift in sports management and ownership. The Buss family has decided to sell their stake in the Los Angeles Lakers, which is seen as a major change in sports management and ownership. This deal values the Lakers at $10 billion, the highest in NBA history. Mark Walter will become the majority owner, while Jeannie Buss will retain a minority stake and continue as the team's governor. Walter, an experienced businessman who already owns the LA Dodgers and other sports teams, has received positive feedback from Lakers legends like Magic Johnson. This sale comes amid a surge in NBA team valuations, influenced by recent media rights deals, and sets a new record for team ownership in the league. Topic 2. Geopolitical tensions between Israel and Iran are affecting global energy markets, with potential oil price surges and trade disruptions. The escalating conflict between Israel and Iran is significantly impacting global energy markets. The potential blockade of the Strait of Hormuz, through which about 25% of the world's oil passes, could shock the energy market. Experts warn that oil prices could surge to as high as $120 per barrel. Former President Donald Trump has hinted at possible military intervention, further increasing market volatility. Major energy companies like ExxonMobil and Shell are preparing emergency plans in case oil flows from the region are disrupted. This situation could greatly affect global trade, leading to rising oil prices and soaring freight rates for large tankers, prompting investors to turn to safe assets like gold, while global stock markets show slight declines. Topic 3. The Federal Reserve's decision to maintain elevated interest rates amidst forecasts of higher inflation reflects ongoing economic caution. The Federal Reserve has decided to keep interest rates steady, despite forecasts of rising inflation, reflecting a cautious approach to the economy. The current federal funds rate remains between 4.25% and 4.5%, which is not expected to significantly change consumer loan costs. The Fed is tasked with managing inflation and unemployment, using interest rates to control economic demand. Although inflation has eased somewhat, there are risks of it rising again due to tariffs imposed by former President Trump. Maintaining high rates could weaken the job market, and while the Fed anticipates 2 rate cuts this year, it is currently focused on curbing inflation. Signs of economic slowdown and a weakening job market are emerging, but the Fed prioritizes inflation control, with the economy remaining vulnerable to external shocks and expected instability through the end of the year. Topic 4. SpaceX's Starship explosion during testing highlights challenges in advancing space technology. SpaceX's Starship rocket exploded during testing at the Starbase facility in Texas, causing a significant fire. This marks the 4th Starship explosion this year, following previous test flights where the rocket disintegrated or exploded mid-air. Starship is crucial for NASA's Artemis mission and Elon Musk's plans for Mars colonization, but this incident underscores technical challenges and reliability issues. As the world's largest and most powerful rocket, Starship requires further validation for in-orbit refueling and safe human flights. NASA plans to use Starship for lunar landings, but this accident may disrupt the development timeline. SpaceX aims to resolve the issues and attempt flights again, but this event illustrates the difficulties in advancing space technology. Topic 5. Honda recalls over 259,000 vehicles in the U.S. due to a brake pedal issue, raising consumer safety concerns. Honda is recalling over 259,000 vehicles in the United States due to a brake pedal issue that could prevent drivers from stopping or slowing down the vehicle. The recall affects the 2023-2025 Honda Pilot, 2021-2025 Acura TLX, and 2023-2025 Acura MDX models. The problem stems from the